Well, I have finally found a present-day game that I can win. It's called Charades.
Charades. Sounds fancy. We're gonna need some cheese.
It's not called Charades. It's called charades.
Mr. Grinch, I came to invite you to be holiday cheermeister.
Holiday who be what?
Well, there is this one thing.
What is it? Tell me.
No, I couldn't. I mean...
What is it?
You know, I just never really had the guts to tell Gloria how
What
I
is
feel
it?
about her.
Please
I
tell
never really
me.
had the guts to tell Gloria how I feel about her. How I've always felt about her.
Fine, don't tell me.
The sky is falling! The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Are you crazy?
Whoa, wait. Who? Who? Dr. Nefarious has no... Who? He's a real doctor. Who?
Kill the exile and bring the rest in for question.
Who? Think I...
Don't ever do that again.
And what happened then? The Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
I don't get it.